Hello friends, I'm Navgad Mishra with you to discuss triangles and hope you have to enjoy this session. Regarding the basic concept of triangles, you know very well that a closed figure which is bounded by three line segment, then it is known as a triangle. A triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertices. Whatever a triangle has six main parts, and you know very well that three its sides and three its angles. Regarding the triangle, you know that you can classify it on the basis of its sides and on the basis of its angles. And on the basis of side, you know very well that three different types of triangles are, and that is equilateral triangle, isosceles and scalene triangle. And on the basis of angles, you know that three different triangles are acute angle triangles, right angle triangles and obtuse angle triangles. So these six different types of triangles that you have already learned in the previous standard. Before starting this chapter, I am going to discuss about the concept of similar triangles and congruent triangles. And my dear student, at first I am going to discuss about the congruent figures and similar figures. Regarding congruent figures, congruent words refers to that if any two figures having the same shape and size. Suppose that if you draw two circles, in the first example you can just see that shape and size, shape both are circles and size both having the radius 2 centimeter, and this is why both are said to be congruent. But in such case, you can just see that both are circles. It means both having the similar shapes. Whatever the sizes are different, first circle is smaller as compared to second one. So such figure whose shape is same but sizes are different are considered as similar figures. One more example, you can just check that if you have to compare these two, then you can just say that both are having the similar shape because both are rectangle. However, both are not congruent because its adjacent sides are different. And this is why these two rectangles are known as similar rectangles, and these two rectangles are known as congruent because its shape and sizes both are equal. In the case of similar polygon, two polygons are considered as similar if their corresponding angles are equal and the ratio of their corresponding sides are proportional. My dear student, you know that if you have to discuss about the similarity of the polygon, you know that polygons are of different types. A triangle cannot be compared with quadrilateral, a quadrilateral cannot be compared with pentagon, a pentagon cannot compare with the hexagon because two different polygons cannot be the similar one because their shapes are totally different. If you discuss in the case of any one type of the polygon, if you have taken triangles are also of different types, and this is why you have to compare the similarity. In the case of isosceles, then you have to take the isosceles. If you have compared with right angle, then all the right angle triangle or right triangles you have to compare. If you have compared any scalene, then scalene can compare with scalene. I have just taken one triangle and this two triangle, and naming, I just name it ABC and DEF. How can you say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF? Because there is a two condition regarding similarity of a polygon. First one, their corresponding angles must be equal. If A is equal to D, B is equal to E and C is equal to F. In this case, you can just see that corresponding angles are equal. Since corresponding angles are equals, and this is why the first condition of the similarity has been fulfilled. What is the second condition? You can just take the ratio of the corresponding sides, and the corresponding sides AB, you have to take the ratio with DE, this side, because you know very well that AB ratio DE can be written as AB upon DE. So you can just take the ratio of the corresponding sides AB upon DE, BC upon EF, and AC upon DF. If ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, then the second condition for the similarity of the polygons has been fulfilled. If any sort of polygon having these two conditions, first condition is corresponding angles are equal, and second condition is the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, there any sort of polygons follow these two conditions, corresponding angles are equal and ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, then the two polygons must be the similar one. If these two triangles follow these two conditions, then you sure be sure that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Another example, you can just see that I have just taken the two quadrilaterals ABCD and EFGH. If the first condition, if angle A is equal to angle E, angle B is equal to angle F, angle C is equal to angle Z, and angle D is equal to angle H. And second condition is that a ratio of the corresponding sides AB upon EF, BC upon FZ, CD upon HZ, and AD upon EH. If ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, if you follow these two conditions, then you can say that quadrilateral ABCD is similar to quadrilateral EFGH. Dear student, I am going to discuss about equiangular. What is the meaning of equiangular? Actually, equiangular are made up of two words, equi and angular. Equi means equal and angular means having angles. Any two quadrilateral having their corresponding angles are equal, then these two quadrilateral are known as equiangular. You can just see that in the same figure ABCD and EFGH, if their corresponding angles are equal, and you can just see that A is equal to E, B is equal to F, C is equal to G, and D is equal to H, then these two quadrilateral must be shaped to equiangular. Similarly, in the case of triangles, suppose that two triangles are, one triangle is ABC and second one is PQR. In these two triangles, if angle A is equal to corresponding angle P, angle B is equal to corresponding angle Q, and angle C is equal to corresponding angle R, then these two triangles are known as equiangular triangles. So any two triangles whose corresponding angles are equal be said as equiangular triangles.